Hey, Struglines, and I was working on my web scraping syntax writer, so this helps me write syntax so I don't have to remember it all. And I wanted to demonstrate one of the cool features in Studio, AutoHotkey Studio, that I really like, especially when doing these GUIs, because I don't know if you've messed with creating GUIs and submenus, but the top part here, I have the menus, but then I have it going to Go subs. And right now, let me make these all the same so you can see what I've done. I don't have the actual syntax I'm dumping in yet, but you notice all three of these are the same. And actually, you can tell that because I click on here, and the fact these highlighted mean they're all identical. If the word was not, like if I typed a gobbledygook word, actually, I'm not sure if Studio does that inside of comments, but if I type that and I click on it, it doesn't highlight. That's because there's no other instances of it. Yet, if I come in here and copy and paste, and now when I'm on it, you'll see there's another one. So anyway, that's not actually the point of the video, but it is a cool feature. So anyway, I did this as placeholders. I have three things I'm adding, actually two I'm adding and one I'm tweaking to my syntax writer. The thing is, the syntax is here on lines like 67 to 73, but my Go subs are down here somewhere, and I don't actually know exist present. So they're at 371 to 374, right? Is where I start, and I have one, and that's what you'll notice. Let's go ahead and go back up here, and you have to remember. So it was 67 to 69. When you're making it, you have to make sure that this is pointing to something else in your script. And the fact I have them so far away, it's just really annoying to move back and forth, especially when you have a long script. So what's really cool in Studio is you can just right-click and say split control, and I'm going to split it below, and I put in a scintilla window. That will reopen Site in a second window. I'm sorry, not Site, Studio, as a second window. But for some reason this time it changed scripts. That's weird, and I don't see my. Whoa! Hey, what happened? What happened? Here we go. I don't see. Let's just do it this way. Previous scripts and syntax writer. So that's the one I want. Hopefully it'll open in the bottom one. There we go. So now notice, actually, let's see here. Here's line 49, right? This is the same script opened twice. But on the lower part, I can scroll down here to, what was it, 370-ish. And I can go ahead and look at what was here. Oh, wait until so it's right here. We go. So this is my new section, and I have this one, but I actually want to have. I'm going to have three of these, and I'm going to call them slightly different things. So this one, this is actually going to be wait web scraping numbered item present, web scraping exist number. It's going to sound weird, but it's going to say exists. I'll call that present, just so I don't confuse myself. So the section, the way I keep this in my head is this is a section, the web scraping exists visible. And I probably should have had that a little shorter. But that's how they're all named the same. So I know where they are in the file too. It just helps me stay organized. It does nothing to do with AutoHotkey syntax. So this one is staying the same. And then this one is going to be, is visible. And now I'm going to come down here, and actually I'll copy. This one is the one that stays in the middle. So I'm going to paste that one there, and I'm going to borrow from this, copy, paste, and then I'm going to do that again. Numbered item present. Is that what it exists? Numbered item present. Why? Oh, I changed it. This is the one I copied. Duh. All right. That scared me for a minute. So, copy here. this is going to be visible. And then I'll come back in here. I guess I should have said is visible. And rename this. Now each three point to the same, well, they're different sub labels or Go subs, but the nice thing is that then all I have to do is update the syntax in here and everything's done. So let me go ahead and save this, run it, make sure it launches. There we go, and hit my button. Here's the elements for visible, and here are the 3 items I just created. And just using this splitting of the main screen really helps that make it so much easier, because otherwise it's just a real pain for me. I know I could copy it and put it somewhere else, but anyway, that's it. Hope you guys are having a great day. Thanks.